Intobooks is ePAL's flagship literacy program. It's a curriculum-based e-mentoring program that raises standardized test scores, but more importantly, it creates curious, independent learners who also become better readers, writers, and thinkers. Asking teachers to participate in Intobooks is hard because we are so sympathetic to how much teachers have to do. Teaching today is one of the toughest jobs there is. But there's a couple of factors that we know. Over the past 10 years, teachers have implemented Intobooks successfully, notwithstanding the pressure of teaching to the test, notwithstanding required curriculums, basal curriculums, and they tell us that it is such a flexible program that they can fit it in any way. Teachers tell us it makes their job easier because students are so eager to learn. They're so eager to get the answer to the question their pen pal has asked, or make sure that what they've written is clear, that they're meeting the teacher more than halfway. The other thing that it does that's pretty amazing is it reinforces regular instruction. It's a different way of practicing the reading, writing, and thinking skills, and you can't have too much practice developing those skills. So there's just zillions of ways we see that Intobooks works.